Well, hey guys, it's Eric here at Dayton Hamfest 2025, and it's Saturday morning. It's about 8:05. I just got through the gate here, and we are going to do round two here today. The sun is shining. It's a beautiful day. I mean, there's not a cloud in the sky. Now, last night I stayed in Washington, Ohio. Thunder and lightning, and it was crazy. But I was just talking with one of the guys here, and he said a little bit of rain, but nothing terrible. So yeah, the grass was almost dry. Not bad. So I guess we're getting lucky. We're going to go on inside and check out some of the indoor vendors here, see who's set up this early, and then back to the boneyard. Let's see what kind of scores we can find. I'll try to post this Sunday morning. I got an 8-hour drive ahead of me to get home. And if I have any energy, I'll edit it all together. So let's do it. All right, it's really windy here, so I haven't done a whole lot of filming, but check this out. I'd like to buy a whole truckload of satellite dishes. You know, I've got 4 of them in my yard. Everyone needs at least 3. Come on, it's Dayton. that's about it. It's about lunchtime. I've had it. I've covered this place at least 4 times. Went through the inside with you. I'll have to do audio over on that. It was so loud and there's no way to really talk. But as you can see, the place is absolutely banging. There's thousands and thousands of people here, and it was a good time. Let's head back to the car. I'll show you a sneak peek of the stuff that I got, and that'll do it. I'll let you know next Saturday. I'll have a picking party. We'll show what I found here, and I found some pretty eclectic stuff this year. I always seem to come home with the weirdest stuff, but this year in particular seemed to be a hodgepodge. That's it. Let's get to the car. Well, all right, that is it. Take a look back here. You can see we got a pile of stuff. Oh, you'll have to wait till next weekend to see the entirety of it. But there's one more thing that I always do when I get to Xena. And that is visit Skyline Chili right here. That is what I got. And so I'm gonna go have some chili, and that is it. I got an 8.5 hour drive home afterwards. That's it. I'll see you all next weekend. Take care.